These chunks of beautiful and innovative craftsmanship is from the vivid collection of nature's bounty. Eco-friendly handbags, tabletop, mat, carpet, wall hangings, fruit trays, flower base, cap and many more. One might be deceived with material of the products, but they are certainly not jute. These all are made out of sabai grass. Sabai, a long thin grass with a sharp texture, is grown widely in Mayurbhanj district of northern Odisha. Primarily, the sabai grass is used for making ropes. These ropes are then used in weaving cords. Sabai also provides raw material for paper industries. These ropes are mostly sold outside the state. In the year 2013-14, the government of Odisha took keen interest in developing the conditions of this area with this rich fiber. The government called on for special force under Odisha Rural Development and Marketing Society, ORMAS.
Tribals in Mayurbhanj, they depend for their livelihood on the agriculture as well as the forest. However, the agriculture is not very developed, and there is almost 50% of the upland where traditionally they have been growing sabai as an important crop. But it is seen that after cutting the sabai, they either make rope out of that and then they try and sell in the local market. So which is over the period of time, even though providing them some livelihood options, but at the same time the kind of remuneration which they are supposed to get is eluding them. So looking into the number of tribals involved in this whole activity, we have decided to organize this activity, and with the active support of the government, we have gone for the processing on a big scale to make craft out of this sabai grass.
Here, the women of Gohaldi village of Bodjal are seen operating on the sabai grass. This is a rather unconventional scenario, as rope is not the major outcome of the grass. These skillful hands are transforming these strands of grass into baskets, handbags, hats, jewelry box, decorative stuffs and much more. ORMAS formed producer groups for large-scale commercial purpose, which has 1136 beneficiaries. These 1136 beneficiaries are divided into 19 groups, of which 6 groups are involved in making crafts, while remaining 13 continue with the rope making.
स्त्री लोक माने बेकार बसी रोथिले पूरा इंटीरियर विलेज गुड़ारे जतिकी सेमान को काम मिली पारु नथिला कोठी बादाम कोठी मौलो ए सब काम करथुले किंतु साइड रे सेमान को एबे हमें सबाईरो हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स बनवा पई ट्रेनिंग दोचु जा फल रे कि सेमाने बहुत इनकम करि परचंदी निजरो जीवन यापन निजरो लाइफस्टाइल सेमाने टिके अन्य प्रकार भी मेंटेन करि परचंदी सेमान तांकर निजरो साइड बिजनेस टाइप रो भी सेमाने ए सब जिंस रे काम करि परचंदी.
Until now, people extracted only rope out of sabai, as it is highly durable and long-lasting material. But now, they have innumerable ideas of crafting the grass. To provide a push to the sabai industry, the government is looking at an all-purpose and rather attractive way of selling this grass in order to become everyone's favorite. To To make the producers well versed in their artistry, Ormas joined hands with institutes like National Institute of Designing Ahmedabad and National Institute of Fashion Technology, Bhubaneswar. This indeed gave a hype to their work and thus gave them a lot of confidence and a touch of excellence to their products.
ମୋ ନାଁ ହେଉଛି ଉଷାରାଣୀ ନାୟକ ଆଉ ଗୁହାଲି ସବେଇ ପଡ଼ୋଶର ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ରେ ମୁଁ ସେକ୍ରେଟାରୀ ଅଛେ ଯେଉଁ ଏସ୍ଏଚ୍ଜିରୁ ଆମେ ପଡ଼ୋଶର ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ କରିଛି ଏସ୍ଏଚ୍ଜିର ମୁଁ ନିଜେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ନେଇକରି ମୁଁ କାମ କରାଉଛେ ଆଉ ଆମ ଯେଉଁ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ତିଆରି ହେଉଛି ତିଆରି ହେଇକରି ବାହାରକୁ ଆମେ ପଠାଉଛି ଆମ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ଚେନ୍ନାଇ ପଠାଉଛି ଫେବ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ପଠାଉଛି ହାଇଦ୍ରାବାଦ ପଠାଉଛି ଆଉ ଆମର ଦୋକାନ ଘର ବି ଦେଇଛନ୍ ଅର୍ମାସ ତରଫରୁ ଆମେ ଦୋକାନ ଘର ଅର୍ମାସ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିଛନ୍ ଆମକୁ ଦୋକାନ ଘର ଆମେ ପାଇଛୁ ବି ନିଜେ କରୁଛି ନିଜେ ଆମେ ବୁଝୁଛି ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ ଆମେ ଦୋକାନ ଘର ନେଇଛି ଆଉ ବାରିପଦା ମୟୂରୀ ଶିଳ୍ପ ଷ୍ଟାଡିୟମ୍ ପାଖରେ ସେଠି ଗୋଟେ ଦୋକାନ ଘର ଆମକୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ ସେଠି ଜିନିଷ ସବୁ ପଠାଉଛି ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ପଠାଉଛି ଆଉ ଷ୍ଟଲ୍ ମଧ୍ୟ ଯାଉଛି ଷ୍ଟଲ୍ ଅର୍ମାସ ତରଫରୁ ଆମେ ସବୁଆଡ଼େ ଆମେ ଷ୍ଟଲ୍ ଯାଇଛି ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ ବମ୍ବେ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଭିତରେ ବି ଆମେ ସବୁ ଷ୍ଟଲ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ାକୁ ଆମେ ଯାଉଛି ଆଉ ଏବେ ତ ଏଥରକା ସବୁ ଆମ ଯେଉଁ ନୂଆ ଡିଜାଇନ୍ ବି ବାହାର କଲି ଯେ ଆମେ ଏବେ ତ ଭାବୁଛି ଆମେ ବୋଧେ ଷ୍ଟଲ୍ ବି ଆମେ ଆଉ ଯିବାନି ଏ ଘରେ ବସି ଆମେ ପଇସା ସବୁ ଆମ ଘର ପାଖରୁ ଜିନିଷ ସବୁ ଅର୍ଡ଼ର ଆସିଛି ଯେ ଏ ବର୍ଷ ଷ୍ଟଲ୍ ବି ଏତେଟା ଆମେ ଯାଇନି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଭାବୁଛି ଆସିଛି ବର୍ଷକୁ ଆମେ ଆଉ ଷ୍ଟଲ୍ ଯିବାନି
From the marketing of the artifacts produced by the groups, DSMS facilitates sales through participation in exhibition organized by Ormas or district administration of respective districts of Odisha and linked with corporate agencies like Fab India, Shasha World for bulk marketing. In addition to that, Ormas also opened showrooms by the name Mayur Shilp, one at Baripada and another at Ekambra Hut at Bhubaneswar.
This way we are able to market, we are able to enhance their skill and then the produce are being kind of linked with the high-end market with the opening of 2 showrooms, one in Baripada and another in Bhubaneswar, and also having an independent website for the e-commerce and linking with the e-commerce companies like Flipkart, Craftwilla and others and ensuring the market linkage with Fab India. We are able to ensure that their produce, the craft is being sold properly and since overall almost in 6 blocks of the district more than 1.5 lakh families are directly indirectly involved in these activities. We are trying to expand these activities mainly on the barren unproductive lands through the plantation under MGNRG and at the same time the produce which is coming out we are trying to organize the market and then trying to ensure the processing and forward linkage.
From the soil to the showroom, these artifacts are molded and transformed into unbelievable pieces of beautiful materials which are now on an international demand. Such a scenic beauty is provided by the Sabai. Anyone would hardly imagine these products are made out of grass which was only used to make ropes.